Hi, my name is Narendra and I'm excited to present my Power BI dashboard for the FP20 Analytics Challenge. This project focuses on IT help desk analysis, aiming to provide actionable insights into ticket resolution, agent performance, and SLA compliance. Let's dive into the details. Challenge Overview. The FP20 Analytics Challenge 8 required us to analyze IT service tickets and build an operational dashboard. The main goal was to track key metrics over time to help organizations optimize resources, reduce costs, and identify automation opportunities. I used Power BI to create interactive visualizations and perform in-depth analysis, ensuring stakeholders can make data-driven decisions. Client requirements and approach. To meet the client's needs, I focused on the following key tasks: splitting severity and priority into separate ID and classification columns for better clarity, flagging tickets as inside SLA or outside SLA based on resolution time compliance, processing agent details by splitting names and calculating their age for demographic analysis. My approach included using slicers in Power BI for easy filtering based on total tickets, priority, satisfaction rate, and resolution time, creating calculated measures to track SLA compliance and overall performance, designing an interactive breakdown table for deep dive insights into ticket data. Dashboard clip. Direct insights, key metrics. Now let's look at the key insights derived from the dashboard. The total number of tickets handled was 97,498, marking a 42.5% increase year over year. This shows growing IT service demands. SLA compliance is low. Only 48.2% of tickets met SLA while 51.8% failed. This suggests delays in resolution. The average resolution time is 4.55 days, exceeding the ideal SLA of 3 days. This indicates a need for process improvements. The satisfaction rate stands at 4.1, showing a slight improvement of plus 0.6%, but there is still room for enhancement. A breakdown of satisfaction shows that 51,000 users were very satisfied, while dissatisfaction levels remain low but still need attention. Regarding ticket priorities, high priority tickets 36K dominate, followed by unassigned tickets 29K, which could be affecting SLA compliance. Direct insights, issue and agent analysis, looking deeper into issue types and agent performance. Most tickets, 75.1%, are IT requests, while IT errors make up 24.9%, showing a need for better issue categorization. The most common request categories are system issues 40%, login access 29.94%, and software issues 20%. SLA trends show that outside SLA tickets consistently exceed within SLA tickets, highlighting inefficiencies. Among agents, Aurelio Tanori handled the most tickets, 2027, followed closely by Jesus Contreras and Elena Velez. The 36 to 40 age group handled the most tickets, 31,000, indicating that experienced employees contribute significantly to IT support. With just 50 agents handling a rising workload, efficiency improvements are necessary to maintain service quality. Suggestions for improvement. Based on these insights, I have several recommendations to improve IT help desk performance. Reduce resolution time, implement automation tools to speed up ticket resolution, improve ticket categorization to ensure the right agents handle the right issues, optimize workflows to eliminate unnecessary delays, improve SLA compliance, prioritize high impact tickets to ensure critical issues get resolved faster, automate follow ups to prevent SLA breaches, allocate additional resources to high priority areas, enhance ticket management, introduce AI driven ticket routing to reduce unassigned tickets, ensure tickets are directed to the most qualified agents for faster resolution, increase agent productivity, conduct training programs to improve agent efficiency, optimize workload distribution to prevent burnout, introduce performance based incentives to motivate agents, improve customer experience, address dissatisfaction sources proactively, improve communication between agents and users, introduce self service options to reduce dependency on human agents, monitor peak periods, identify when ticket volume spikes, and allocate resources accordingly. Encourage knowledge sharing, develop a knowledge base to help agents resolve issues faster. Regular SLA audits, conduct frequent SLA compliance audits to track and ensure improvement. To conclude, this analysis highlights critical gaps in AT service management and provides data driven solutions for improvement. By optimizing resolution times, enhancing SLA compliance, and increasing agent efficiency, organizations can significantly improve IT support operations. Thank you for your time.